know what's up, guys? Gaming here. Today's Minecraft tutorial. Today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make really cool smart bridge just right behind me, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how this bad boy works. And then, first of all, guys, I'm gonna go myself for a first person just like this, so you see what I'm doing. And as you can see, guys, this kind of design where the ice is coming from, and also this kind of okay, also forgot to place it. There's actually a slot in the bottom layer of the smart fridge and also the top layer of this smart fridge. Then you can actually open it. That is the really cool fact. And also, just like that, guys, you can even open this thing. That it's really so. I put a hot tub so you can easily open it by just going your cursor in there and press the open at the top of my hot boards. Then guys, and as you can see, guys, in my screen, you just follow what I'm getting. So we need a quartz block, quartz stairs, and quartz half slab. And then once you've done that, guys, grab yourself a cobblestone wall, grab yourself a piston and a block. Then once you've done that, you wanna get yourself a chest plate. Then first of all, guys, make your foundation for our smart fridge just like that. I'm gonna place a half slab, a quartz stairs, just like that. Then you wanna grab your half slabs on the top, just like that, guys. Then the first thing you need to do, guys, you wanna break this block, then place a armor stand behind it, and make sure you guys that the armor stand is facing on the side. And also, guys, you wanna crouch and post it on its second position, just like that. And then you wanna grab your piston just right over here. You wanna place the cobblestone wall, then activate the piston, destroy the redstone block, destroy the piston, and also destroy the cobblestone wall. Then once you've done that, guys, destroy these two half slabs. You wanna grab your piston just like this. Then you wanna also grab the piston just right over here. You wanna place these two blocks and activate these two pistons just like that. And once you've done that, first on the other side, guys, you wanna place a block, and on the front place a quartz stairs. Then once you've done that, guys, you wanna power this up and also destroy all the thing or activate the device like that. And as you can see, guys, you need to equip the armor stand. You wanna equip the armor stand a iron chest plate. Oh, where's the armor stand? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna break that block. Just like that. And then you wanna not just like that. And then you wanna prepare it. You wanna just prepare it just like this. Like that, guys. Then you wanna grab the half slabs and destroy this block. Place a half slab just like that. Then you wanna cover the, and then you wanna thicken the other side of the hole in the this smart fridge. Then once you've done that, as you can see, guys, that there's an actual ice design that actually you see that it looks like a white ice that's coming down for the quartz stairs, the upside down stairs, just like that. Then once you've done that, guys, then you wanna destroy these two blocks. Then you wanna grab these four things off. Then grab yourself a rail and kind of rail, guys. Then you grab your minecart with a chest. Then grab yourself a activation device and then a piston. Once you've done that, na place a rail just right here. Also guys, this is the most important thing in the whole tutorial guys. Make sure that you destroy the rail, not the minecart. So once you destroy that, you wanna destroy the top half slabs. You wanna place a piston and cover that up just like that. Power that up. Then once you've done that guys, you wanna grab your rail, then minecart with the chest again, destroy the rail once again guys. Oh no, destroy the rail. I can't destroy the rail guys. Okay, oh no, I'm so sorry guys, just repair it. I didn't mean to do that guys. Okay, so once you've done that, I'm gonna place another minecart just like that, and then a minecart with the chest. Make you get a very careful guys. Oh come on, you have to make sure that guys that you break the rail, not the minecart. And so sorry guys for making all this mistake. Okay, so okay, finally guys, so once you've done that, you wanna place any kind of block just right over here. Then beside the block, place a piston and make sure that the piston is facing downwards. Then once you've done that, you can now destroy this block that you placed before. Place a quartz block just like that. And then you wanna power up the piston, and then the quartz block stop again guys. And then as you can see guys, this is much pretty done. You can actually open this in the first, then also guys the top layer. And then as you can see guys, what happened? I'm very sorry guys that my game just crashed. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm very sorry that my game just crashed. I don't know why. Then guys, the last thing we have to do is the actual banner that we saw in this side. So to make that banner, you wanna just use inventory. So by using chat here, then go to your crafting table, go to the design room or kinda that bed shape like that. Then you wanna grab yourself a banners and go to the nature part of the hotbars. Grab yourself a black dye and then a light blue dye. And then once you've done that, that is pretty much all. And then grab your black banner. We only need just the one black banner. So the first thing I have to do is make this kinda like a shape, spike shape just like that. Then once you've done that, make a whole line kinda like that and place the banner at the very middle. Grab your banner and grab your banner in the middle bottom and whole layer of in the middle of the some black dye and grab yourself the banner. Then guys, once you done that guys, you wanna grab this kind of like a border shape, then grab your banner. Then once you done that guys, you wanna grab this, and then guys, this is the most important thing in the entire video, and wanna place the banner on this side so you see the outline that you see just like that. Once you see the outline, it means you're ready to place the banner. Or if you don't see the outline, if you just like this guys, if you don't see the outline and then you press, the minecart will destroy. So make sure that you see the outline first before you place the banner. And that's pretty much all of this guys. And as you can see guys, this also kinda more, this is more realistic guys. So It's just are the same. You see that there's a block just right over here, and get the bottom layer and the top layer, and this is pretty much all in this tutorial, guys. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this tutorial and subscribe to be notified with our latest updates. And once again, guys, see you guys in our next video, and bye bye.